What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Nothing Phone 2a, Nothing Phone 2 or whatever Nothing Phone you got if you no longer remember the PIN password and you are stuck at the lock screen. So here we go. So here I am at the lock screen of my Nothing Phone 2a. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN password. I am stuck here and I cannot do any kind of activities. So to remove any kind of security, you have to do this from the settings, or you have to perform a hard reset to remove all kinds of security from your device. But still, for that you will have to go to the setting. But since you are logged out of the device, you no longer remember the PIN password pattern, your fingerprint ID is not working, your face ID is not working, and you are stuck at the lock screen, you cannot do that as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset, factory reset right from the lock screen if you have lost access to your device. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with your smartphone. The very first thing you have to do when you are stuck at the lock screen is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you have to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them like this for a while until the nothing logo appears on the screen. After that, you can move your finger from the power key, and once this screen appears, you can move your finger from the volume up as well. So here you can see that we got multiple options. The first one is the recovery mode. This is where we have to go. If this arrow is pointing at some other option, then you can use the volume up to switch between all of these options and go to the recovery mode, and after that press the volume down to select it. Now the device will reboot and it will go into the recovery mode. So once this Android logo appears with no command written here, what you have to do is you need to press the power key, and while pressing the power key, press the volume up just once. You don't have to do it like the last time where you were pressing and holding them together. You just need to press the power key, and while pressing it, press the volume up just once like this, and then you will go inside the recovery menu. So here you can see that we got multiple options. One of them is the wipe data factory reset. So now navigate between the options. You have to use the volume up and down, volume down to down, volume up to up. So go to the wipe data factory reset, and after that press the power key once to select it. On the next screen, it will show that this activity will delete all of your data. Press the volume down to go to factory data reset and press the power key one more time. And now if you have a look at the bottom, you can see the wiping of the data is completed and we are back at this recovery menu options here. So press the power key once to reboot the system, and once the rebooting is completed, we will start totally fresh with our Nothing Phone 2. We will have to go through the setup process and everything that we did in the very beginning while setting up the device. We will have to go through it. You can see it is asking me to set up the lock screen pin. That means previous one is gone. So let's finish the process and let's see whether we really got the access back to our Nothing Phone 2a here or not. And here we go. So you can see we are back at our home screen. It is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin. So we got the access back to our Nothing Phone 2a here. So this is how you can gain the access back to your device if you no longer remember the PIN password, you are stuck at the lock screen, your face ID, fingerprint ID, etc. is not working as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.